Have you ever dreamed of having radiant and healthy hair? The secret to achieving this may be closer than you imagine. Meet Valotin, the revolutionary hair supplement that will transform the health of your hair. Valotin is a revolutionary product in hair care, designed to restore the health of your hair by strengthening it from root to tip. In this video, we will explore how Valotin works, its key benefits, and ingredients, along with providing a link to purchase. How it works. Valotin is formulated with a unique combination of natural ingredients that work on multiple fronts to improve hair health. Its comprehensive formula works from the inside out, strengthening the strands and promoting healthy growth. Here's how it works. 1. Advanced nutrition. Valotin provides essential nutrients your hair needs to grow strong and beautiful. It contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote healthy hair growth. 2. Follicle stimulation. The product helps stimulate hair follicles, which is crucial for the growth of new, stronger hair. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with thin or thinning hair. 3. Repair and hydration. Valotin also repairs damaged hair, restoring its elasticity and providing deep hydration. This results in smoother and shinier hair. Key benefits. Valotin's benefits are remarkable and comprehensive. 1. Stronger hair. Regular use of Valotin strengthens hair from the roots, reducing breakage and shedding. 2. Accelerated growth. Follicle stimulation promoted by Valotin can lead to faster hair growth. 3. Shine and softness. Valotin's formula helps restore the shine and softness of your hair, leaving it looking healthy. 4. Reduced hair loss. Many users report a significant reduction in hair loss after starting to use the product. Natural ingredients. Valotin's success is attributed to its composition of natural ingredients, including biotin, essential for hair health. Biotin strengthens strands and promotes growth. Collagen, helps improve hair elasticity and repair damage. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects hair from damage caused by free radicals. Bamboo extract, a rich source of silica, which strengthens hair and prevents breakage. Pantothenic acid, contributes to scalp and follicle health. If you desire stunning and healthy hair, look no further. Valotin is the solution you've been waiting for. Start the transformation of your hair today. Valotin is a complete product for hair care that offers a holistic approach to hair health. Its benefits, natural ingredients, and proven effectiveness make it an excellent choice for those seeking stronger and more beautiful hair. Don't miss the opportunity to try Valotin and transform your hair care routine. Click on the official website link in the description and pinned comment to learn more and purchase Valotin now.